Tesla, Fremont, and Giga, Nevada have built 3 million cars. Tesla has celebrated the production of 3 million cars across its Fremont factory and Gigafactory Nevada, just under 2 years after surpassing 2 million at the sites. On Friday evening, in a post on X, Tesla's main account shared a congratulations to Fremont and Giga, Nevada, celebrating the accomplishment. The post also includes a pair of photos showing the production team at Gigafactory Fremont with the 3 millionth electric vehicle EV built. A deep blue metallic Model S Tesla celebrated reaching 2 million cars produced at Fremont and Giga, Nevada in July of 2022. After the company celebrated reaching its millionth car produced overall in 2020. Just as Gigafactory Shanghai was ramping up and as Gigafactory Berlin was still being built. Giga, Nevada currently builds drive motors, powertrains, and battery packs for the Fremont factory. Which is why both Tesla's 2 million and 3 million milestones have both shouted out the location, although it doesn't produce completed EVs. In the past, Tesla's Fremont factory has been highlighted as one of the most productive automotive plants in the U.S. While Tesla's other factories have become ramped up production quite a bit as well. Likely even outpacing the Fremont plant, the site still plays a key role in the company's global strategy and it remains highly efficient and productive. Tesla is currently expanding Giga, Nevada to accommodate increased production of its 4,680 battery cells and its electric semi, and the company broke ground on the expansion in January. With the expansion's eventual completion, the site is expected to add 6,500 full-time roles and build enough 4,680 battery cells to supply 2 million light-duty vehicles per year. Earlier this year, Tesla also began producing the updated Model 3 Highland in Fremont, after the vehicle launched in the latter half of 2023 in many other markets. Tesla also launched a highly anticipated Model 3 performance configuration for the refreshed sedan. Starting at a price tag of $54,990 in the U.S. before the federal or local tax credits, and following a few price adjustments. Tesla celebrates 6 million vehicle production milestone. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.